your calorie burn. We're toning through your waist, we're working through those abdominals. Good, and we're just doing it non-stop. Again, we are doing that duration of 60 seconds, but you're already 20 seconds down, you just got 40 seconds to go, and keep thinking about the benefits. Remember, in life, if you put in 100%, you get in results of 100% back. So that's where I really want you to focus this week on doing this for 7 last 10 seconds coming up now of this move. So let's just keep going. It's feeling challenging, but just think you're increasing your heart health, your fitness, your well-being. So we are doing more than dropping the inches. All right, we've got 3. Let's go 2 and 1. So move number 3 that we're going to be doing. This one, we're going to reach up tall and walk out. If you find it too hard to come all the way down onto the ground, what I suggest you do this move standing close to a sofa, and you can as a result of working out and eating a healthy diet. Alright, that's good. Let's go last 10 seconds. This is where we're going to lose those inches. Take it from one side to the other. Make sure you don't lean forwards, neither lean backwards. You're literally just going down to one side. And really take that arm out as far down. Try and get it onto the line of the knee. Reach it across.
Pagod. Bye. Thanks for watching.